Vihood cleaning instruction. After disinfecting the device, if you want to clean the device, wash your hands with soap, alcohol or sanitizer. Step 1. Remove the device from the sterilization box or container after disinfecting. Place it on a clean surface. Step 2. Use a soft, clean, dry towel soaked with alcohol to clean forehead pad and visor. In case the cover is dirty, it can be removed and washed with soap. Disassembly before cleaning. Step 1. Tear off the 2 velcro tapes of the visor cover on the forehead of the hood, then remove the visor. Step 2. Gently tear off the velcro tape to take the forehead pad off the hood. Step 3. Detach the air hose inside the hood from the plug. Take the air hose off the hood. Step 4. Turn the adapter pipe counterclockwise. Take the adapter pipe and the plug off the hood. Step 5. Dissolve enough amount of washing powder or liquid detergent with water. Then soak and wash the hood cover, paying special attention to cleaning the areas with the drawstring under the chin and back of the neck. Do not rub vigorously, do not iron and dry in the shade. Assembly after cleaning. After the Vihood cover has dried. Complete installation of the device as follows. Step 1. Tear off the 2 velcro tapes of the visor cover on the forehead of the hood. Place the visor to the correct position. Reattach the 2 velcro tapes to fix the visor on the hood. Step 2. Attach the forehead pad to the hood. Attach the velcro tape on the forehead pad on the correct position inside the hood cover. Step 3. Thread the air hose inside the hood cover. Step 4. Turn the adapter pipe clockwise to tighten it and install the adapter pipe and air hose plug on the hood. Step 5. Ensure the nuts are tightened and continue usage or storage in the aluminum bag or container.